Howdy y'all. Just a quick update. November the 6th. So I was about to freak out to say that the lawn care guys are tearing up my damn bamboo again, but it's the deer. Deer in the neighborhood making use of the bamboo. Looks like they chewed this one off. I don't know. I don't know what to say. See, it's just, pretty typical, basic neighborhood, and we got this kind of empty lot here that I guess the deer just sort of hang out at night sometimes, but I guess they're coming over and little pronghorns are rubbing their little horns on my bamboo. These are the kind of the new ones, the new shoots. They're the tallest now. But you can see, here's the damage. Little bastards. I'll probably even try to get into this one too, but he's kind of in the middle. And this is old. This is an older shoot. And you can see the scars and the damage, but it hasn't killed it yet. See, it's doing just fine. Oh, it's got this crud going on. But, they say that the animals are supposed to really benefit from the leaves, that it's real nutritious. Pandas figured it out, but it doesn't really seem like the deer are eating it. Oh, well, they chewed the shit out of that one. I don't know. But there you go. If you have deer and you got bamboo, you can rub their horns on it. All right, thanks for watching.